In 2026, millions of Americans will lose their jobs. Not because they are lazy, not because they are bad, but because of this. Artificial intelligence. Most people think AI is just ChatGPT or robots. But AI is already replacing real jobs in the United States, quietly. And the scary part? Most people don't see it coming. Job number 1, customer support agents. AI chatbots now work 24/7, no salary, no breaks. Job number 2, data entry and admin jobs. AI does in seconds what humans do in hours. Job number 3, junior designers and video editors. AI tools now create logos, videos, and ads instantly. Job number 4, basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI software is cheaper, faster, and more accurate. And job number 5, entry-level programmers. Yes, even coding is changing faster than anyone expected. This doesn't mean humans are useless. It means the rules of work have changed. The people who adapt will survive. The people who ignore this will struggle. If you live in the USA and want to stay ahead, learn AI, use AI, or work with AI. Because the future is not coming. It's already here. Follow this page and subscribe to stay future-proof.